Hi, my name is Andrea and I am a science educator here at the Health Museum. Did you know that even though viruses and bacteria are all considered microbes, they're very different in a number of ways? For example, bacteria are relatively large compared to viruses. The largest virus is still way smaller than even the smallest bacteria. Bacteria can live almost anywhere. We have found bacteria in extreme hot and in extreme cold environments, whereas viruses really only live inside of a person, plant, or animal. We have good bacteria that live in our intestines and on our skin that help keep us safe from bacterial infections as a result of bad bacteria. And lastly, in order to treat a bacterial infection, we utilize antibiotics as prescribed by a doctor. Antibiotics disrupt the cell wall of the bacteria to keep them from replicating inside of our cells. Viral infections are best prevented by getting a vaccination. When we get vaccinations, our immune systems have a head start and know what that virus looks like before it gets into our body, so that when our immune system comes into contact with it, it will shorten the duration and intensity of that viral infection. For more information on how to keep yourself safe from viruses and bacteria, see Megan's video on proper hand washing techniques.